Yeah, we recording right now. But yeah, so then like I was telling you about my buddy, so hopefully I can get him on like my computer engineering buddy, and like I said, hopefully that'll be the next season. Because with my Tech Tuesday thing, I was trying to do 10 episodes, and I think I'm on 9. I'm trying to do like a little Netflix format, almost 10 little episodes, and then go to a new season. So hopefully I'll be starting season 3 soon or whatever. And hopefully, like I said, I done watch the progress go from, beginning just me looking at myself on camera to season 2. I done had like a little live event, you was my first guest. Like I said, I appreciate that. Then this next season, hopefully I can have some more guests. Like I said, I'm trying to get my computer engineering buddy on there. Then I got my home or somebody that I know. I wrote her, and like I say, she like a digital nomad. She overseas, and I think that's pretty sweet. So I'm gonna
Hell
just
yeah.
try to see how to, just give our audience like just an inside scoop on, just like I say, the whole digital landscape and how you can do this stuff overseas. You know what I'm saying? And you can still, have fun and enjoy life and all that. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully we can bring these folks some good content and all that.
Man, we got some good content already, man. We
Oh yeah, you already know.
I'm breaking down the love, so excuse my
Okay.
FaceTime. But you got is the camera set up to where you can see both people at the same time?
Yep, yep.
I bet that's gonna be smooth when they do the cut scenes. I got a little software that's gonna be able to cut us back and forth when we talking. It's about to be fired in a bitch.
For
But
sure.
yeah. So pretty much that's actually what we talking about, man. I hate looking down when I'm talking on camera. Give me one
You
second,
good?
but yeah. Let me just do my intro real quick. But
Mm-hmm.
we that's pretty much what we bringing with these convos, man. Is like some real game to the streets, bro. To everybody, like whether you're in the streets or not, for real. Like street
Mm-hmm.
coders over on my channel, bro.
Yep.
And it's some real game. Like before, I was thinking, man, get everybody on this tech shit, get everybody on this coding shit, coding. That's what I was on, bro. Everybody needs to learn how to code. Everybody got to code,
Uh-huh.
and man, I love coding. Don't get me wrong, but
Uh-huh.
it's about making money first, bro. It's rule
Okay.
number one: get the money. Rule number two: don't forget to get the money. That's as simple as that. Like,
Right.
don't marry this, that, and the other. Get where the money is. And so on
Yeah.
my channel, bro, like I'm breaking it all down, just regular street shit at this point. Is there's y'all ain't learned how to properly get money. You gotta
Mm-hmm.
first humble yourself and say, I didn't know that, but the people who taught me didn't really know, and I had to hustle and get that shit from there and there and there. But
Yeah.
now I get money the right way, the easy way. Is money getting money should not be hard. It should be an easy process. And if it is hard, then you need to be rethinking your process. You got to
Uh-huh.
keep rethinking until it's done. And like, bro, it's so humbling when you
Yeah.
realize, man, I ain't do none of that shit that I thought I had to do.
Right.
So it's
And see,
go ahead.
yeah, shit, and then the value I think too is the knowledge you're giving. You know what I'm saying? Because like I say, before you kind of to me, before you get to the dough, you gotta have that knowledge and know what you doing, what you selling, whatever you got, whatever projects you got working on. So, like I say, having that knowledge and us being able to create this platform where we giving out little knowledge to hopefully, where people can just apply it and then go from there and start creating whatever they lane, you know what I'm saying? Like you were saying, whether you want to jump in the medical field, med tech, whether you want to get into fintech and all that, you know what I'm saying? So I
On
definitely
me.
hear you on that though. And like I say, that's what this platform about, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, turning this knowledge into some money, you know what I'm saying? And
And
RIP Dolph, because I think his birthday or his one of his dates just passed. You know what I'm saying? So RIP Dolph.
on me, bro. That's one of my favorite quotes. Got to be one of my favorite quotes. They got it from a white man. I think the white man got it from another white man, but they switched it up. But I love how he said it, bro. It's just too cool. But I want to segue into the convo because I think you hit at two good points that I think will help us niche down into this convo, which is
Okay.
growing using social media, using these tools like social media and these different platforms. No, specifically social media. Social
Mhm.
media is one tool, and then there's this other
Yep.
tool called artificial intelligence. And
Oh, okay.
and then these two things really like take you to the next level. But before artificial intelligence, it was like this like retarded version of artificial intelligence called automation. Like
Mm.
automation was like it was like the baby version of AI. it's still here to this day. Like
Okay.
we still birth kids to this day, and it's smart individuals. I mean, it's sophisticated adults, and kids are still being birthed to this day. So bringing that back, we still build automations to this day, even though we have AI, because automations are needed. They're building pieces of the actual AI system. And so basically what we getting at today is we're gonna take we're gonna take the social media sites and we're gonna take some automation ideas and then we're gonna put them together and we're gonna show y'all why this shit is simple and how tech really can help y'all level the playing field on anything that y'all doing for real, for real.
All right, cool. What you was finna show them your project?
Hey, shit, or actually trying to roll that blunt. I was about to pass it back to you for a little bit, but
Oh, yeah,
actually it started up because let me get you a question there. Actually, let me ask you a question. That's how we can do that. Little question format is, all right, on the real, if let's say you had a product, let's say you just starting out, you saying, you know what, everybody talking about making this money online. I know I can make me some money online. Let's go do it, man. I got the confidence. I'm ready. Let's go. You know what? Boom. I went down on Etsy or something. I went to Shopify. I went Gumroad somewhere, and I see that I can put these different things out on there. Let's say I'm selling something simple. Like I be trying to show people you can make money selling simple shit. A PDF.
No. Okay.
A PDF. Let's talk about a PDF. You want to sell this PDF to, how would you sell a PDF, a basic ass PDF of just 10 steps, boom, boom, boom. How can you actually sell that shit, bro? Like, I feel like these people need to hear like different strategies, how people think about that. Like, how would you sell 10 steps to blah, blah, blah PDF?
Yeah, me personally, like I said, that's where your marketing come in at, like I said, Joe, the first thing like that I would probably think about, that everybody is familiar with, probably like I say, your social media marketing. So just reaching out to, your people locally, just on your different timelines and all that, then just word of mouth, is the traditional marketing, you know what I'm saying, almost, but that's just off of hand is what I would think of, you know what I mean? Just like I say, maybe letting people know, you know what I'm saying, and whatever community I'm a part of, forum, whatever, you know what I'm
All
saying.
right, bro. Oh, my bad. Interrupt. Go ahead.
Oh no, yeah, that pretty much was it. Just letting people know in my community, about the PF or the people you trying to target PDF.
I fuck with that, and I think that I think a lot of people are right where you at, bro. Is that they understand that in order to get sales, I need to do something. I need to be out there doing something in the market. Feel me? Like these people gotta know me. Like somehow
they gotta know it's for sale. Yep.
They gotta know it's for sale, because how is they gonna fucking know that you had this idea in your bedroom 2 days ago and then you set up a website? How is they gonna know that? They not gonna fucking know that. They getting clogged with all types of shit on social media 24/7. I promise you, they're not going to know that yesterday you set up a website to sell fucking PDFs. I promise you, they not. They just won't. But the thing is, there are people who are looking for people who have a website, of specific PDF information though, and that's the important part. Is that's why we start marketing, because we know there's people out there looking for us. That's why we start making this content and stuff. We know that there's somebody out there that gonna buy this damn PDF. That's why I sat here and made it. I don't watch YouTube video after YouTube video telling me like somebody's out there looking for your shit. You gotta go find them.
And what's them PDFs, bro? I know what it is, but just I got a few ideas when I think of it. But what type of ideas in that PDF
I love
you
that.
kind of talking about?
I love that. You know what? I'm about to drop some free game on niggas real quick, bro. Like dead ass is about to be one of the best free games.
I'm thinking for sure. I'm thinking ebooks and just like some type of like I said,
nope.
PDF text format. But you probably got some.
Nigga, this shit is simple, dog. I'm talking about we can set up PDFs for $3 and niggas is downloading them bitches $10,000 or 10,000 downloads for $3. You do the math, and all you did was a ChatGPT conversation, organized that shit up, and went to, this is the real one right here. You went to Envato and got a motherfucking template and took the shit from ChatGPT. You tell ChatGPT, look, this is the template I'm using. Where should I put this information at on this damn template? ChatGPT gonna be like, put it right there, put it right there, put it right there, put it right there, and it's gonna sound good, and it's gonna look good automatically, bro. And then you can go ahead and all that, and next thing you know, you got you a professional report, is what they call these. Report.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'll go look up all different types of reports. Go look up all these different types of reports. It's a ridiculous amount of reports. And these niggas don't know how to make these reports, bro. They have no idea how to make these reports. Yeah. Man, go take they shit, write a little blog about they shit, put it into a report, download this free report on how to do this. Now you got their email. Next thing you know, you could upsell them a course. Now you could upsell them this, that, and the other, or you could upsell them another PDF. Now you use the free PDF to get them in. Now it's get the 100 key things next, boom, 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 for $5 instead of the first one was free. You see what the first one was like? It's 10 of them is good. Now you tell ChatGPT right after you write the 10 one, write me one for $100. Do the same damn process, put in the same damn template. Go sell that shit. Literally,
and that's that AI money.
It's that AI money, bro. It's simple, bro. I'm trying to tell niggas, like, you could be a whole data scientist right now. These motherfucking companies have no idea how to sit down and look at their data and say, well, 95% of people are buying red shoes. Maybe we need more red shoes. That's what your
That's what your video was about. When it was about the analytics of it. Was that what you were talking about?
Exactly, bro.
Yeah. That's what it was. I just wanted to let you know that I did watch it. You know what I'm saying?
I appreciate that, bro, because I'm trying to step out here and really show people it ain't all about code, but I'm actually I put some respect back on my name. I'm actually about to do some coding videos. I've been practicing with Pythonista, bro.
Okay.
Tech Trader got some good algo trading videos coming out pretty soon. I got a lot of them OpenAI agents. I got AI bots, bro, on my messengers. They automatic in your iMessage, bro, automatic respond, and I configured up a few different agents. Got them responding to my people right now because it's holiday season. They want to know what I'm doing, so I communicate with them a month early off the bot. They don't know it's not me. Like Barbara don't know this is not me, so it's like
that's slick.
Like, you feel me? And now I'm having good conversations and boom, like Christmas coming around. It's like, my nephew, he always hit me up. He always boom, 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 boom. And I'm finding little hacks, bro. I got little things that actually practical things that people really gonna want to tap in and be like, I need that. That's fun. I need that.
Yeah, little holiday hacks. That's what I should put that in the head. And holiday hack. That's a little holiday marketing. You know what I'm saying? So it's safe to say that you feeling pretty optimistic about the state of AI. Like, is that pretty much how you feeling? You feeling like it's
pretty. Now, that's a good question. I think this is a good segue to the next part that we was about to talk about, which is what's going on with OpenAI.
Yeah, you already know.
But the state of AI, bro, I would say before last Friday, I was like, AI to the moon. We doing it. We got it. Then they fired that nigga Sam Altman.
Yeah, for sure.
It got real, bro. Like, it got real. No, it got stupid real. Because then Monday morning come and Microsoft just hired this man to run their whole AI fucking department. So now I'm seeing something weird going on now, bro. I'm like, wait a minute. Microsoft, this nigga just got fired on Friday.
No competitor go to be in your ally in a way, almost. Like that's how they do.
Bro, but the thing is about it, because I'm in this shit. Like, I remember when OpenAI was literally open AI, open source AI. Like, you could go to fucking GitHub and see their code. And the reason you can't do that no more is because in 2019, bro, this is the kicker, bro. This is why I'm fucked up about this. 2019, Microsoft invested $1 billion in OpenAI, and they could no longer. They had to. Because they invested $1 billion, they had to turn their stuff into proprietary information. So you couldn't be free no more. You can't just go out there and get it no more. And so now I'm still always associated Microsoft with OpenAI, but it's like Microsoft was a Drake almost. Like, there was a Drake moment once you got that check from Microsoft, OpenAI started building this, building that, building that. Bill Gates giving them these different challenges to build this, build that, and next thing you know, they kill Bill Gates' challenge. Bill Gates was like, it's ready pretty much. And then that's when they started coming out with ChatGPT. So OpenAI has been in this thing with Microsoft the whole time. So now the board fires the CEO, and then 2 days later, Microsoft opens up their own AI department and makes him the head of that. Now, bro, that sound wild, but let me give you one more detail. Now, after that, we got to deliberate after this, because I'm putting all the context right here, bro. I'm thinking, all right, shit, wow. Actually, it's two more details. They put the nigga over Twitch. The CEO over Twitch is now the CEO of OpenAI.
Oh, okay. They moved him over there.
They moved him over there. I don't know why yet, but maybe you won't know something. So we're gonna get back to that. And then the last part is 3 hours ago, I just saw, bro, that this like manifesto from OpenAI's actual workers, like the actual software engineers that was there the whole time. They sent this manifesto to the board that fired Sam.
Yeah.
And they said, the way that you fired Sam, we don't fuck with that. Like,
okay.
They say, bro, they was like this. We've been in contact with Microsoft. Microsoft said that all of OpenAI software engineers have a job guaranteed under Sam Altman at Microsoft right now, bro. So they said this is in the letter to the board from the engineers, bro. And they saying to the board, if y'all don't bring back Sam Altman, and then it was a list of like 10 other niggas, bro, like that got fired. If you don't bring them back, we all gone, bro.
Hell yeah. Who coming with me?
Who coming with me? So, bro, so it's like if OpenAI sticks around, they're gonna have to, hire a whole bunch of new engineers. So shit, they need to put their application in and OpenAI.
Yeah. But show that, that was surprising to me, you know what I'm saying? Just like I say, company branding and all that, you know what I'm saying? That necessarily wasn't what I was trying to see. But, I might not be, as familiar just with the, as far as like the inner workings and everything. But that's kind of how that's kind of how they businesses are, you know what I'm saying? Like I want to say that just sucked, you know what I'm saying? And it ain't the first time I want to say that somebody then kind of been fired by their own boards, like Steve Jobs and all that. So he might end up coming back. But I know I know how how they do those shuffles. It's kind of interesting, but they all kind of pay each other back and forth. I don't know if you've seen like I said, I think I seen Apple gets a bunch of Google Chrome's revenue sharing and a bunch of stuff like that. So you would think that they was competitors, but they kind of funding each other. You know what I'm saying? Bro. So it makes sense. You know what I'm saying? But
and I think you're making a good point, bro. Actually, can you let me share my screen?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Because I actually made a few social media posts I like to share on here. Kind of funny how you said sound like it happened to somebody before. I literally, bro, you're gonna see this post, you're gonna be like, wow, bro, we one accord. But yeah.
Okay. I think I just hit the multiple share. If that's how you do it. It's multiple participants.
You let me share. Yep. You let multiple people share. That's how you do it.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, they did the whole tech shuffle. You know what I'm saying?
Bro,
that's good to be able to have those skills to be able to go from this company, you know what I'm saying, and go to the next company, Because they all working with each other, and Bill Gates and Sam and all them was at that AI conference in the White House and all that, you know what I'm saying? So, they able to go back and forth, you know what I'm saying? I want to see some more people like us getting up in them positions and being able to go back and forth, you know what I'm saying?
Where? So exactly what you said, bro. But here it is. I said on my post, I said OpenAI just did their ex-CEO Sam Altman, just like Apple did Steve Jobs. I believe his was premeditated. What do y'all think? I got a little commentary in the comments, a couple people, but I just pretty much screenshotted it and highlighted the important parts. Pretty much what I just went over is how they fired him and whatnot. And they told him he wasn't capable of doing shit. And
wasn't leading. Yeah, wasn't capable of leading. They got, and that's the thing with those board members. Like I said, in the business tip, you got to make sure you try to hire people, that rock with you. I guess you could say, because I know I want to say even Tesla. When you got them big companies, and that's not uncommon practice. You know what I'm saying? Because the company get bigger than the individual. You know what I'm saying? And I think I just seen one of Tesla's board members saying that they wanted Elon to step down this past week, and I'm just like, man, them board members.
Let me help you, bro. Like, man, I ain't trying to say help you, bro. I'm gonna just add another perspective because I know what you're saying, bro. But I want niggas to think deep about this shit.
Yeah.
Bro, this is what this whole podcast me and you talking about right now, bro. The AI. Let's utilize first that AI can level the playing ground. If you are a small business, you got the little structure. If you throw AI in that shit, you can really compete with a big business that's doing the same thing. That's not using it all day. Now, they don't level the playing field, right? And the thing about this nigga named Sam Altman, bro, is that he don't give a fuck about the structure of the world, bro.
Right.
So you like it go back. This is an old capital thing, and this shit deep, bro. Because I finally figured it out. That's why I'm afraid now. Not afraid. I'm more so like I need to give me some servers and download me my own GPTs because it's getting monetized, but like it's getting
Centralized, monopolized.
monopolized. It's getting centralized, monopolized. Thank you. It's getting that, and that's really you won't be able to experience the glory of AI. So it's not
You
that
already know.
AI is about to take over. I'm actually scared that they won't let AI be what AI actually supposed to be. They about to make the actually scary AI, that the Terminators and stuff, because they about to control all of that, and all the evil minds are going to be the only ones who can do shit with it.
You already know.
You feel me? So what Sam Altman was doing with ChatGPT, he had brought AI to the normal person, bro. To the normal person, you can get on this bitch and talk about whatever you need, bro. You can become a professor. If you see ChatGPT as a professor in all your classes that can break down anything for you, you can start using ChatGPT to build your own curriculum and then teach you how to do this and teach you how to do that.
For sure that.
Next thing you know, you competing with these big businesses, bro. You competing with universities, bro. ChatGPT is competing with universities right now, bro.
Like, they putting all that shit out of business.
You feel me?
I think I just seen somebody talking about, they was gonna, ending doctors and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it got its certain perks and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't mean to cut you off, because like I said, your
you make a good point. Yeah, that's good, bro. Go ahead.
Yep, your lawyers and things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? And it definitely is. Eliminating and can play a lot of different positions and all that. Like
And that's the and so you gotta understand, like, that's just not something to say. That's a core factor in AI, is that we need to make sure that we don't lose control. Who is we? The people that's running it. The people who got all these billion-dollar structures, bro. Most of them motherfuckers is old white man, bro. They have no fucking idea.
You already know. And it's the same old game. You already know.
Bro, it's not us that's scared of AI. It's the millionaires that's scared of AI.
Yeah,
the old millionaires, not new young millionaires that's teaching you how to tin up your life with it. No, it's the old money that this country is built on. That structure is falling, and because of Sam Altman, and he wants to keep on pushing AI and keep on making it smarter, quicker, and faster. This nigga already got GPT-5, and they already testing it, and he want to push it out, and they like, no, we need to slow it down. We need to or we need to do this.
I get it though. I get it in a way, but like you said, sometimes it ain't. Some people think that it's already a little too far gone. You know what I'm saying? I just seen them doing some stuff with I forget the lady name, but she got that. She a black lady too, man. She got her doctorate and all that. But she came out with that lady on Netflix that do like the AI bias and all that. But they had
you gotta send me a screenshot or something, dog.
Okay, bet. So on Netflix they got I'm gonna
look it up right here so we can have it on the screen.
Yeah, it's a documentary on Netflix. I want to say it's something about like AI bias. You can pretty much probably put that in AI bias or AI if you do like a little search or whatever. But he had a sit down conversation with her, and basically this documentary, she was on there and she was talking about just the different biases with AI or whatever, and just how. Long story short, she was doing like some face Yep, and that's it right there. Coded bias, I think is what it's called. Yep. But she basically, that lady right there, she was basically doing some artificial intelligence stuff, some face recognition stuff, and then I think she had on a white mask, but then she removed the white mask to have it like basically the face recognition didn't recognize her black face or whatever. So she was just saying basic how this algorithm and stuff is biased, you know what I'm saying, in regards to, like I say, face recognition, and maybe they put this same type of technology, at the jobs or before they screen you as a job. So just ethically, you know what I'm saying, you can see the problem with all this AI stuff. And Sam Altman had a sit down with her. Like I said, all the big AI people have been trying to figure this stuff out, you know what I'm saying? In which, like I said, is deep, and like I said, as powerful as this technology get, they should have some type of regulations. But like you say, the people who've been running the country the same time, it's gonna benefit them. It's gonna automatically be in their biases You know what I'm saying? So it's important for, people to get involved. And I'm glad this lady right here is involved. And like I said, because that stuff can get big, especially when it comes to government and the red line. And I'm sure the Army already got their version of Chat GPT and just they
years
probably
ago.
light years, you know what I'm saying? And so in a way, I'm kind of, if I was him, I kind of be, you kind of got away with slipping under the cracks from getting away from that open AI. Just me being, feeling like risky, like you don't want to just, have all that shit come down on you. You know what I'm saying? Now he over at Microsoft and maybe kind of take, I ain't saying a smaller position. He might have got more money. You know what I'm saying? Microsoft is bigger than OpenAI, but sometimes you may have lucked up and been able to fall back, maybe. You know what I'm saying? But like I said,
That's a good point.
mhm,
Honestly, you you segue to another good point that I was about to make too, which was the nigga he dodged a good ass bullet.
mhm,
It's about to be like a war, and I keep telling people it's not gonna be
yeah,
the same war that y'all keep saying. Yeah, World War III is going on, and it's
mhm,
not that war that y'all think. This is a technological war. This is a
mhm,
technological war. People are not going to be falling and dying. It's going to. What's happening is a shift and
mhm.
control is happening right now, and it's happening behind the scenes, and you got
You
to be
already
a
know.
part of the story. You got to be a
Hell
part of
yeah.
it
The
in order
technology and
to.
all that. And that's why it's important, like I said, giving you another salute, you know what I'm saying? Just, like I said, being in the know and being inspired and being able to capitalize and do your thing, you know what I'm saying? And that's why I think even if we inspiring one or two people, like I say, we like that Tupac quote, we'd be the spark that changed the world, you know what I'm saying? So, just some old little cool shit I wanted to say real quick.
Swear to God, spark that changed the world. And so,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I love that. I really do. And so,
Mm-hmm.
really, with this, man, this conversation, what I want people to take away from this, bro, is the ball. It's tip off.
Oh yeah.
You 6'5", and they 6'5".
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they 6'7",
Mm-hmm.
but shit, it's the playing field is leveled. It is
Mm-hmm.
leveled. The
Mm-hmm.
only thing that is stopping you from being a billionaire right now is the way that you are thinking. That's the only thing that's stopping you. All the tools are here. All
Mm-hmm.
of the tools are here, from grants to AI to
Mm-hmm.
automation to
Yeah.
social media markets to
Yeah.
communities already being built. Like, they already
Mm-hmm.
here. Discord channels, people talking about what you need to talk about. It's an easy
Yeah.
way to get out here and get yourself going and
Mm-hmm.
use the tools. Before, I mean, it took a lot. Like, you had to do this shit all day and night,
Mm-hmm.
and or hire some people, get some VAs or something. They was the VAs, the Indians back over on Fiber and shit. Those were the automation tools. Beginning, they were the AI. If you think about it,
Mm-hmm.
AI, and now
Mm-hmm.
all AI did was come in the room and take them from needing to be there. I mean, you can
Mm-hmm.
still use them in conjunction with AI. That's a really good system right there. But to get started, man, you just use AI to begin with, and then you start, as you making money, bro. Get you some VAs, man. Let me drop y'all some knowledge. $5 a week, and you can get a nigga to fill out data for you, search the internet for you, all types of shit. Start using your money correctly, man. $5 a week. I smoke weed, so I'm letting y'all know I spend stupid money, but I also spend smart money. And I don't call it stupid money anymore because actually it helped my spirit. But
Oh
it's
yeah.
so I learned how to, chunk off some money and say, this shit belongs to the business. I'm not touching this shit no matter what goes down. I ask somebody to borrow before I do that. And even if you don't know what to do with that business money right now, put that shit aside, man, and don't touch it, man. It's really helping you work on discipline. It's helping you work on, like, investing and understanding that, like, that right now, gratitude, that instant gratitude, gratification is a thing. It's amazing, but when you need to grow, you need to realize that instant gratification is really slowing you down, and you need to learn how to invest into that gratification of the future.
Mm-hmm.
Experience gratitude right now. Experience gratitude right now, but invest in the gratitude of the future, bro. Man,
Yo,
it's deep.
for sure. And on that little note, I'm gonna go ahead and end this conversation. I appreciate y'all for tuning in to me and my dog. And make
Yes,
sure y'all
sir.
enjoy the rest of y'all day.
And make sure